So if you watched our previous video, you saw the entire analysis of all of these products here and exactly how to get your hands on these profitable products. We're now going to get all of these profitable items into Amazon's warehouse, and as you can see, we've made a start. First thing that we're going to be doing is printing off our labels, and our labels are basically just like barcodes. So we will stick the barcodes over the original barcodes on the products on every single item, get them straight into boxes. So we've got Sam on the assembly line getting these products in, and it's not slave labor, I promise. But we're getting the labels on and we are getting everything boxed up right now because we're gonna have UPS come and pick up this order tomorrow. So labels on, and we're making sure that all of these are scannable, and these will be going into a box. This is the basic 3-step framework that you've got to think about with Amazon FBA. Number one, actually getting your profitable items, and that is where we come in.
Get in our Discord to stay in the loop about what products to sell on Amazon. Book a call with us. Ask us any questions you may have. Just select a date and time that's convenient for you.
Secondly, getting your labels on, as you've just seen right there, forming some form of assembly line, getting all your products labeled up with those barcodes. Third, you are going to be getting your items shipped into Amazon. Now, normally you're going to use UPS. Amazon are partnered with UPS, so you get really good shipping rates, but in the case of this one, these are hazmat products.
Hazmat goods can be anything like aerosols, it could be cleaning liquids, it can be chemicals that are in beauty products, basically anything that Amazon views as potentially hazardous or dangerous. More often than not, it's not actually going to be hazardous or dangerous. But Amazon sends these hazmat goods, dangerous, whatever you want to call them, to specific fulfillment centers. That means that you can't mix your hazmat goods with your non-dangerous goods. You can't package them all up together. They have to go out the door separately. Quick tip, when you use SellerAmp, it will flag and notify you when you've scanned a hazmat good. So if you see something that's profitable, but it's a hazmat product, just remember that you are going to have to package this product up a little bit differently and send it out to Amazon differently.
So we have to arrange an alternative mode of transport. This could be through UPS or it could be through a different courier, but it's just not through Amazon Partner Program, so we will pay slightly different rates. We'll package all hazmat items together because they cannot be mixed in with your other random products. When you're sending hazmat products in, they have to be sent in either a standalone, that one hazmat product, or with all of your other hazmat products. So making it clear, do not be mixing your hazmat products, for example, with a PS5 game. Remember that framework, 3-step process, get your items, get your labels on, and get them shipped to the warehouse. So I've already added the hazmat stuff that you've seen right there to my inventory. So I've already got the labels for those, but now I'm gonna show you how long it's gonna take to do that sort of process and what that journey looks like with products like this, because you will need to add these products to your inventory in order to get those labels.
Search and select your product, click New Condition and sell this product. You'll enter more details like the price, condition, country of origin, and most importantly, fulfilled by Amazon. Save and finish. It's now being added to your inventory. Click List as FBA and send to Amazon. Then enter the prep and label details. Most of the time, it'll be no prep needed. If it does, it will let you know, for example, polybags. Save, then enter the amount of units and repeat for the other products. Then print off all of your SKU labels, enter the amount of boxes with their dimensions and weight, enter the date and small parcel delivery. Here is where you would choose the partner program, but since this is a hazmat shipment, I'll have to choose an alternative.
So between actually listing all of these products on our Amazon and getting them all labeled up, put into boxes and ready to go, we're probably gonna estimate, just off experience, that's gonna take us around about an hour to an hour and a half to do in total. If it's your first shipment, do not worry if it's gonna take you 2 hours. It's all a learning curve. You'll become more efficient over time, but it doesn't take that long to do. And when you actually reflect back on the profits that some of these products were bringing in, working and putting an extra hour in to do this sort of stuff, not time consuming at all, especially because all of these products were ordered online. So you're talking a couple of clicks on a checkout. You've done it when you've been shopping, doing whatever online shopping. You all know what that process looks like. It takes a few clicks. So we're talking minutes to actually order these products. It's not out doing retail arbitrage where we're having to scour around shops to find these gems. We're just sat back, ordering online, got all these units here, and then packaging, let's just say 2 hours if you're brand new, an hour to an hour and a half, getting everything else done if you're a bit more experienced. Then from there, guys, get all of these into boxes and I will show you what the finished product looks like.
The next day.
So it's the following day, guys, and as you can see right here, the boxes are prepped, ready to go. We're actually waiting for UPS to come and pick it up from the front door right there, which makes my life easier. UPS, thank you very much for coming and picking these up from the front door. You've just seen a basic walkthrough of how we do our labeling, what that looks like. You've seen how to get the labels, and you've also seen how to create your shipment so you can get UPS to come through your front door. And we also showed you how to do that for hazmat products as well, because a little earlier in the video we did touch on the hazmat shipping process being a little bit different. The tutorial that you basically just seen might have been a little bit fast, difficult to keep up with, and we've been a little bit naughty and done that on purpose, because if you want to understand how to do it all step by step and get support doing it, you can do this in our Discord. This is where we teach you everything. This is where we get all these products, as we mentioned, and where we give all the guidance on how you can start making money with Amazon FBA. If you want to get involved with that, all you've got to do is look in the video description. You will see the links for our website and also the link to book a call with me. And as you can see here, another quick tip, guys, if your box is over 15 kilos, you do have to put a bit of a notification on the box. That can either be through a little sticker like that, or if you're sort of trying to cut down on costs, you don't have any stickers available, literally just print off an A4 piece of paper saying heavy package over 15 kilos, just so you are complying with all of Amazon's terms and conditions. Well, stay tuned. I'll give you an update when the UPS man arrives.
Hi mate, how you doing?